Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the Knob by the Hob. Hello darlings, doing burgers later on, so I'm going to make my own burger sauce. And I love a rich, tangy, tasty sauce. And when I was in America once, I was given this recipe which included bourbon. So I'm going to make that for you today. So, there's quite a lot of stuff. So it's mayonnaise. Sorry about that. A little bit of ketchup. Not too much ketchup, but just a little bit of ketchup. Some Worcestershire sauce, just a splash. Splash of Tabasco sauce. Just a little bit of finely chopped shallots. Whole grain mustard. Again, not too much, just a little spoonful of that. Now, this is my addition, chili jam. You don't have to put chili jam in, but I love a bit of chili jam. That's a bit of a sweetness, so I'm going to put some chili jam in. Again, just a little spoonful. Now, these are the two things from America to the sauce that I thought were unique. A spoonful of bourbon. I've got a Woodford Reserve. Tablespoon, or maybe a little bit more. So the other secret ingredient was pickle juice or gherkin juice. Just a couple of splashes of that in. I am going to use these gherkins later for the topping of the burgers. That's what they mixed in with the sauce. You mix it all together. A little taste test. And that's your burger sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna cook my beef burgers. So in my outdoor kitchen, I've got my gas barbecue up to a high temperature because we need to stick the patties in now. This is a really good quality mince, it's chuck mince. Put some seasoning in it, salt, pepper, my little garlicky salt. I think these are probably half pounders, I don't know. And I'd say about 5 minutes each side. Don't faff around with them. When you buy the mince meat, you don't, there is a recipe, you can put some cream crackers in actually, which is very good, but I just squeeze them into a shape. They'll shrink a little bit, so keep them to the size of the bun they're with, and then stick them in the grill. When you open the grill, the hottest place, which is always up here, and then leave them in there. So now I'm gonna grill some onions, caramelize some onions to put on the top of the burger. And also I'm gonna put the buns in. Now, these are sesame brioche buns. Grill both sides.
Why is it important to toast them, Stephen? Nobody likes a soggy bottom.
Nobody likes a soggy. Okay. Fucking hot. The reason why we grill both sides, toast the buns, is because we don't like a soggy bottom. Thank you. The brioche buns out. I always toast both sides of the bun. I love the crispy bun. And then put the burger sauce that I've made earlier on it. Leave that on both sides. Don't mess around with the burgers too much. Don't keep flipping them and turning them. I'd leave them depends how thick they are, but 5 minutes each side. So I'm going to build my burger. So the tomato, which I put a bit of salt and pepper on. I love a little gherkin. Some people don't, but they can take them off if they don't. And then a little bit of lettuce. There you go. Do you like the medium rare? Rare
done.
I'm asleep already.
Really? And then the grilled onions. That's a bloody burger for you. That's a Stephen Fabulous Davies burger.